I have always had a passion to heal people since I was a very young child. My name is Sister Jenny, and I'm the inventor, founder, and CEO of Sister Jenny Gentle Touch. I am a professional nurse specializing in therapeutic aromatherapy and therapeutic reflexology, including the healing properties of plants.
Sister Jenny is the inventor-creator of JEN-TIL Touch, a line of creams designed to improve the quality of life for people with pain or disabilities. Sister Jenny's JEN-TIL Touch, the award-winning natural healing and beauty creams, help people with horrible burns recover quickly. Her line of products help people with skin conditions, diabetes, arthritis, rheumatism, sports injuries, leg cramps, burning feet, and many other conditions that help people live a more comfortable life.
I'm Sister Jenny. I'm a professional nurse all the way from South Africa. I invented 5 different products. The first one is Sister Jenny MultiPurpose Cream, which is clinically tested to moisturize your skin within 1 minute. And this has been scientifically proven. The same cream that you use on your very dry skin, you can also use on open wounds and burns. You can put it right inside a raw open burn or a raw open wound, and it actually heals. It creates a healing effect on the body to the point that it regenerates the tissue very fast. And so we've even had results where people have been saved leg amputation.
My name is Sister Busisi. I work at Sebokeng Community Clinic in Vereeniging, which is about 60 kilometers from Johannesburg in South Africa. And I am qualified as a clinical nurse practitioner. I treat burns, leg ulcers, clean wounds, septic wounds. This is the cream I use. I have one patient who was admitted again, who was already asked to sign as a consent for amputation. And when she came here, it was a very bad ulcer. And then since I started using the multipurpose cream, I've seen a big difference. She saved her leg, the wound has healed completely.
Hi, I'm Professor Tilley from Stellenbosch University. I've been using Sister Jenny's Gentle Touch creams for quite some time, but it was during our Trek for Mandela Summit in 2019 that the muscle cream did wonders for us. I've also heard fantastic stories about how these creams are helping children with burn wounds.
This little boy had a very severe burn, spent 2 weeks in ICU, and after using Sister Jenny multi-purpose cream, his skin has regenerated so well that he's got his confidence back.
Hi, my name is Dr. Lebo Maro. I started using Sister Jenny's multi-purpose cream on my mother when she developed pressure sores. And it worked miracles, and I have since been using the cream for myself and the rest of my family for any skin conditions that they develop. It's been working wonderfully for us, but the best experience for me was seeing my mother's wounds heal in less than 48 hours, and I thought this is a real miracle. I do accept that the wounds were not that deep as yet, but we have prevented the wounds from becoming deep, and she's not developed any pressure wounds since then. I would really recommend this cream for anybody. You can use it on your daily routine, just as a daily cream that you apply on your skin. That's how good it is. It absorbs very easily. The skin doesn't shine. So I would recommend this cream for anybody, really. I was skeptical at the beginning also because I thought, a cream is a cream is a cream.
I use it during the night and in the morning and night. Immediately afterwards using it, as you see my scars, I became...
You see your scars? Just show us. That looks very nice. And how were they before?
My scars was very bad. They were too big like this.
My very special product, which I have been making for the last 28 years, we have just won the Unsung Heroine in Health for my unique innovation, which actually heals burns and wounds in skin conditions.